I've tried providing some shade, but apparently it's not working out very well for me. I didn't want to make the tarp real big, because it seems like if I cover a lot of this, then the chicken tractor will just take off in the wind. And so she's figured out how to get up on the roost to be in the shade. But it's not like it's hot out or anything, so I'm not too worried about them being overheated or anything like that. It's like 45 degrees. But these four get to enjoy the day all by themselves, because the Wyandottes and the other big girls are not very nice. So after the Speckled Sussex had laid her egg, I put them out here. I put the fencing and all that on this morning. Using milk jugs to help hold down the corners. They're filled with water.